Hello everyone, welcome to Passion to Learn. This video is for grade 2 and grade 3. In this video, we are going to cover about fraction. Fraction in a simpler way. Are we all ready? Yes. This video is all about fractions. What is fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole number and a way to split up a number into equal parts. So let me repeat, a fraction is a part of a whole number and a way to split up a number into equal parts. So what does it mean? When I have an object or anything with me and when I have to divide them in a equal parts, I will be using fraction. Okay, to make it more simpler, I have a pizza and there are four people. So I'll have to divide that one big pizza into four people. Here I will be using fraction. How? Can we go inside and see? Yes. Before looking at the pizza, to make the concept very simple, I've just taken few circles here. The first circle talks about 1 by 2. The second circle talks about 2 by 4. The third circle 3 by 6 and last is 4 by 8. What is this numbers? Can we look at them? All right. So here we are seeing 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 examples. Okay. Let's take the first one. Let this be the first one. So in this circle, we are seeing a line in between. So what does it mean? This circle has been divided into 2. Okay. So that means when I make it into 2, I get one part and two parts. So in circle, when I make it as 2, I get two parts. Okay. And here, when I see the shaded part, okay, I'll just mark it with a different color. Okay, the shaded part. Okay, this is called one of the two. So, how many shaded parts are here? So, here then I will be saying it's 1 by 2. So, now let's look at the next one. So, in the next circle, again we are seeing some split ups. Okay, so here this one, two, three, four split ups. And how many parts are shaded? One part and two parts. Make it little presentable. I'll just take a small pen and just do a tick. How many parts are shaded here? One and two. So we will write 2 of 4. So which is nothing but 2 by 4. Okay. In the next example, again, the same size circle is divided into little more parts. Can we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the total number that we have divided here? Yes, it's divided into 6 parts. Okay. And on this, how much is shaded? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 shaded parts. That's why here we will write 3 by 6. And the last one, we can see little more number of stripes, right? So let's count how much is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll be writing 8. So one circle has been divided into 8. And what is the shaded part here? How many can we count? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many shaded parts are there? 4 shaded parts. So here we will write it as 4 by 8. Now, can we go into our pizza example? Yes, come on. So this is one pizza here. Alright? Are you all with me? So this is the one pizza. Now, when we are going to divide this pizza here, okay, let me do it again. We are going to divide it here. This part becomes 1 by 2. Alright? On this. Okay? When I make it as 3 parts. Okay? Like this. So can you all see me? When it comes like this, I get 3 parts. Okay? It's 1 by 3. Alright? So I'm making another part and becomes 1 by 3. And what is this? Among this, when I divide them like this and I take a part of this. So it becomes 1 by 4. Is it clear? So we'll again look at this. We have understood how this 1 by 2, 2 by 4 and 3 by 6, 4 by 8 are all derived. So we'll see them in separate boxes, right? So as we discussed, it's one circle and we have divided into 2. So total number of part comes down. And what is the shaded part here? 1. So we would say it is 1 by 2. Yes, in this example, one circle has been divided into 4 equal parts. So we are taking it in the down. And how many shaded parts are there? 2. So we'll be writing it as 2 by 4. And in this example, one circle has been divided into 6 equal parts. And how many shaded parts are there? 3. So we'll be writing it as 3 by 6. And in this circle, one circle has been divided into 8 equal parts. And how many are shaded? 4 are shaded. So we'll be writing it as 4 by 8. Hope we are all clear, right? So now we look at few more. Yes, here comes our pizza. So the first one, a full pizza is divided into 4 equal pieces. Now the next one, the 3/4 of the pizza. What happened? One has been taken out. So how many are there? 3. So you would say it has 3/4 of the pizza. And here, balance 1. How will we call them? 1/4 of the pizza. So a full pizza, 3 by 4th of the pizza, and 1/4 of the pizza. Yes. To make it more clear, this is a complete pizza. We have been divided into 4. And when I take just one piece of it, we would say it has 1 by 4. Yes. Again, we are seeing this one pizza. And when we divide it, we get 1 by 2. And then 1 by 3. The last one is 1 by 4. What is this? We have 3 cakes here. How many cakes are there? 3 cakes. Now, in each and every cake, we are going to make a fraction. Okay. So this is how. All right. So I am taking this first cake. This cake, I would say, that is one full cake. Okay. No fractions. I have not divided. It's one full cake. Now, this one cake has been divided into 2 parts. So now we have 2. Now how will we write this? This one has been made into 2. So totally 2 parts. We'll write it as 1 by 2. Okay. This one has been divided into 4. So if we take 1, we'll be writing it as 1 by 4. Now we are just looking about biscuits. we have one biscuit and we'll have to divide it among the 3 people. So we have divided equally. So here we would say it as 1 by 3. It's also called 1/3. So one biscuit that we make it as 3, we will say 1/3 or as 1 by 3. Now let's do some worksheets so that we'll know how much we all understood. Alright, can we go into the worksheets? Yeah, our worksheets are ready. What is given here? Circle the correct fraction from the given choices. The first one has been done here as an example. Okay, so we are able to see one circle. On this, we have divided it as 8 equal parts. So totally we have 8 equal parts. And how many is shaded here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7 by 8. Now we understood, right? Let's look at the next one. So in this one, how many it has been divided as? Yes, you can see 2 parts. Alright. So which one is shaded? Yes, this is shaded part. Alright. So on to 1 by 2. So can we circle the answer? 1 by 2. Alright. Now let's go to the third example. Okay. One box has been divided into 3. Right? Can we see? One box has been divided into 3. And on this 3, we can see 2 parts are shaded. Alright, so what will be the answer? 2 by 3. Can we circle them? 2 by 3. Okay. And the next one, we are seeing a circle. And can we see how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So out of this 8, how much is shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will circle 6 by 8. Can we all do it? Yes, it's 6 by 8. Now I have one more worksheet which we are all going to do it together. Again, the first one is given as an example. So on this, when I count how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of this 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are shaded. So the answer is 4 by 8. Very nice. Second example, 1 has been divided into 1, 2, 3. Okay, on this 3, how much is the shaded part? This is the shaded part. So we'll write 1 divided by 3. What is the fraction? 1 divided by 3. Can we go to the next example? Can we all do it together? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One object has been divided into 6 equal parts. So where will this 6 come? It will come in the denominator. And how many shaded parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So can we take the answer? 5 by 6 is the answer. Last example. Yes, I can hear some answers over there. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there are 3 shaded parts. So the answer is 3 by 6. Is the fraction not so easy and simple? Yes. Oh, keep practicing at home about the fractions and it will be very easy. I will also come up with few more worksheets in the upcoming video. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like, share and subscribe the channel to see our latest videos. Thank you again. See you in the next video.